Very good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about a new concept which is called as Roman numerals. Let us get into the topic of Roman numerals. Right children, today already we come to know that regarding different types of number system. One is system international, which is millions and billions. Next Indian system, which is related to the lakhs and crores. Now we are discussing about Roman numerals. Roman numerals compared with Hindu Arabic numerals. Right children? Right. Whereas these Roman numerals was introduced by Romans in the Roman country. Whereas these Roman numerals are there like 1 V X L C D M are these 7 letters which will give the complete Roman number system. Whereas let us we come to know learn about the concept of the value of 1 I V X L C D M are referring to what number in the Hindu Arabic system. Let us see. 1 refers I, 5 refers V, 10 refers X, 50 refers L, 100 refers C, 500 refers D, 1000 refers M. Once again, 1 refers I, V refers 5, 10 refers X, 50 refers L, 100 refers C, 500 refers D, 1000 refers M. Can you understand children? Now we are moving on to the next concept related to this. Then what are the rules or steps important for us to create the number form? Right, let us get into the topic. Right, let us have a brief rough idea on rough sketch on these numbers. 1, next 5, next 10, next 50, next 100, next 500, next 1000 is referring M. Right, now rules. Rule 1. Rule 1. Any Roman numerator, any Roman number cannot repeat that 1 X, next C, 1 X C as well as M cannot repeat more than 3 times. More than 3 times. See children, 1 means 1, 2, 2, 3, 3. Now 4, it is not possible. It is not possible. 4 is wrong. Then how should write 4? That means we have to write 4 as like this. This is the correct form of 4. That means any number like 1 X C M cannot be repeat more than 3 times. That is the rule 1. Right? Rule 2. Rule 2. Rule 2. V, comma, next L, next D cannot repeat second time. Cannot repeat twice. We can take it as twice. You can take it as twice. Cannot repeat twice. See here, for example, 10 is a number we cannot write like VV. 10 we should mention by X only. This is wrong. This is right. Rule cannot V L D cannot repeat twice. Right? Next. Rule 3. Rule 3. Subtraction. Subtract when smaller number next smaller number right of big number. Smaller number right of big number. See here children, a big number is 5. If you are writing at the left first smaller number to the right of a big number, then what I have to do? Subtract. That means bigger number value is 5 minus 1 is equals to 4. Let us see one more one. Now 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. 10 minus 1 is equals to 9. Next, third rule. Third rule. Over fourth rule. Add, comma, bigger number, next smaller number. Right, like that. See here, V1, a bigger number, next is a smaller number, add 6, x1, 10 plus 1, 11. Right, like that you can go ahead. Now Ci, 100 plus 1, 101. Like that. These are the 4 rules which is necessary for us to remember to do the problems of Roman numerals. Then lastly, we want to see that it is not only up to 1000, we can go ahead more than 1000 also. The numbers like see here, if it is 1, I upon that bar. What is that? I upon that bar. It means that 1 into 1000 times it is 1000. The value of that number is 1000. Now 5 Roman number, upon that it is bar, like this bar will be, that means it is 5 into 1000, 5000, that is 5000 value is 5000. X upon number or L upon the bar and C upon the bar. Let us see some bars of the number which it takes. The same thing here also, 10 into 1000, it takes 10,000. X upon bar will be 10,000. 50 into 1000, 50 into 1000, it is 50,000. Next, 100 into 1000, 100 into 1000, it is 1 lakh. It is 1 lakh. Right? Now you got a clear idea. Now you got a clear idea about the Roman numerals more than 1000 also. Now it will give you a chance for us to learn more than that, how to do a problem, conversion of Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic numerals, Hindu Arabic numerals to Roman numerals in the next class. Thank you.